My name is Glenda, and I'd like to tell you about our goal visualization class. Um, it's really great to set goals, but sometimes we don't have all of the tools or knowledge on how to make those goals become a reality. So, this class is going to explore how to set goals, but also how to use creative visualization techniques as well as some vision boarding to be able to help your unconscious mind to become a partner with helping you to accomplish your goals. So, this is a good class to take any time of the year because it's always a good time to turn an idea into a goal. And I look forward to seeing you in class. I All you need to do is really bring an open mind and maybe pen and paper or maybe a journal so that you can write down your goals and track your progress.